I am Vittal, President of Rotary Club of Coimbatore Metropolis. Namaskar, Swamiji. Good evening to all of you. I welcome for this thought-provoking, need-based, need of the hour lecture meeting, both from India as well as from abroad who have joined us. I wholeheartedly welcome Swamiji, who has agreed to join us and deliver this lecture. Our district governor Madhav Chandran has sent his voice message, which let's hear before I go further.
COVID-19 has taken the whole world by storm. Social distancing is the buzzword now. I would say it is not social distancing, but it is physical distancing which is needed. Socially, we need to be together, and we are going through a very tough time, in fact. This is a time when Rotary has to come together in support of our own brethren and all those around us. I'm so happy that Coimbatore Metropolis is doing a series of webinars where we are getting some of the best minds, best speakers from around the world to address our delegates, our members, as well as general public. This will really be a moral booster when we are going through such difficult times, and we need to look forward to the future with a lot of hope. Positivity is the key, and let us all believe and trust that these kind of interactive sessions and good lectures will bring in a positive atmosphere around us, and we all look forward to overcome this crisis together. Let us enjoy the lectures. Thank you.
Just to say a little bit about Rotary. Rotary, as a charitable institution, organization, is 100 years old, spread over 200 countries, has a membership of 1.2 million. They have spent so far more than $4 billion in life-changing projects. Polio eradication is one wherein 99.9% of the world population is polio-free because of the contribution by the Rotary. Our own club, Metropolis, is 35 years old, and our signature project is Hope After Fire. That's for rehabilitation of reconstructive surgery of burn deformities. Over 500 burn victims have been rehabilitated, costing more than 500 lakhs. We have also done our bit in COVID-19 program, and we have taken care of the entire needs of the ESI hospital, police, and Erode Medical Hospital. Completely, we have taken care of that. And also, we have engaged ourselves in cancer cure programs wherein 100 surgeries are going to be performed totally cost-free. To say a few words about Swamiji, I can go on and on. It is so elaborate, but still, I will restrict myself to a few things. Author of 118 books, very many of them are always ranked first rank. Spiritual leader, corporate guru. His speeches on Gita are life transforming. He is an invitee to address 2 World Economic Forum in Switzerland. He is a yoga practitioner. I'm surprised. He is a karate black belt at the age of 64. Amazing, amazing yoga teacher. Times of India has adjudged him after a lot of screening as the best #1 speaker. He has been providing meals to more than 18 lakhs of people per year in government hospitals. We all look forward for his speech, I'm also looking forward for his delivery. Over to Swamiji.
Good evening. Welcome. Thank you, Mr. Vittal, for introducing me. All you Rotarians are really wonderful, awesome in the way you contribute to people. My very sincere gratitude. I hope all this is clear. What I'm talking is the voice is clear, please. Yeah, I'll go ahead. Let me give me an example. Let me start off the session giving an example. It seems a Chennai sub-inspector was transferred to Coimbatore. And when he was transferred, he was shocked to see there was an auction going on. And the auction was on what? On a lizard. He was very confused. Auction on a lizard. And therefore, one person was auctioning a lizard to be 5,000 rupees. The other person, 10,000 rupees. The third person, 20,000 rupees. And therefore, this auction was going on like this. This circle inspector from Chennai, who was transferred to Coimbatore, was shocked. He touches one person and says, why is that auction so much, 30,000 rupees for a lizard? And to which it seems one of them tells the circle inspector, you know, the only thing my wife is afraid of is the lizard. And to which immediately the circle inspector said, 2 lakhs. Friends, what I'm trying to give you example, everybody is operating out of fear, fear and fear. If your life is led of fear, the Veda says, Bishasma tataf pavate, Bishodeti suryaha. If you look at people's life, is always out of fear, 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 fear. Now, COVID-19, it appears you can justify about this fear. Oh, COVID-19, there is social distancing, you can justify there appears to be a fear. But if you look, people say, I'm sitting at home, I'm getting thousands of messages, people are feeling bored, people are miserable, people are afraid what is going to happen. But I tell them, when you are working at office, also you had fear. The fear of your health, the fear of targets, the fear of seeing that balance and work and home. And therefore, even there, what work, there was fear. Now at home, there is fear. So you see very interestingly, I hope it's clear. My voice is clear to all of you. Just say like this, Vittalji is clear. Yeah, okay. I just want to make sure. Yeah, because I'm used to Zoom. I'm not used to Microsoft 365. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now, so therefore, you see before COVID-19, now you find people at office, they were operating out of fear. Now that at home, they operate out of fear. So therefore, it is not the situations you are afraid of. It is your monosthiti, your state of mind you are afraid of. I want you to be alert towards this. Now, I want to share this to you. My younger brother, just about 4 or 5 days back, he gives a call to my mother and he is staying in a red zone. Italy is a red zone for COVID-19. And in the red zone, he is staying in a place called near Milano. It's a red zone, red. And 1 week back, he was telling my mother that staying in a red zone, in the red zone red, he's selling very interestingly, right? This is one of the best periods of my life, he's saying, in a red zone. And mother asked why. He says, I'm able to spend at home. I'm able to do yoga better. I'm able to connect to my family better. I'm able to listen to my guru's discourses. So therefore, God has given me an opportunity to redefine myself. Now, here is a person who is staying in a red zone, and then instead of being victimized by fear, now he is feeling very enhanced by it. Sir, therefore, one thing is very clear. It is in Sanskrit, we say, it is not the paristhiti which is creating problem. It is your monosthiti, is your state of mind which is creating a problem. So COVID-19, right? Yes, there is difficulty, but you had difficulty before COVID-19. So therefore, difficulty is one thing. How you keep your mind set is another important dimension. I want you one thing to be very clear. Now, the previous speaker, Rotarian, was saying we have to keep not only this one, social distancing, physical distancing. I will say more than social distancing, which definitely you should do, you should also do fear distancing. You should be away from fear. Come from confidence, not operate out of fear, is my request to all Rotarians and to everybody. In every century, there are new challenges, sir. And in new challenges, if your state of mind is very powerful, then you can go proactively forward. If your state of mind has not got confidence, you will suffer. So pause for a moment, dear Rotarians, and ask, it is not the situation, it is a state of mind, our mind. So please be alert over that dimension is one thing. Let me give an example as I build the theme from frustration to fulfillment. I want all of you to focus very attentively. Now, I know some of you may be in their homes, all right? You may be lying down on the bed and listening to the talk. My request to you, please see if you sit on the bed with your dhoti or with your shorts and listen to the discourse. Now, please see the bed energy is not going to give you alertness. See, people, many companies have addressed after COVID-19. I tell them, when COVID-19, you have to work at home. How do you work from home? You create an office space at your home. Wear a formal dress. Don't sit on the bed and work. Formal dress, it gives you an ambience. So to also listen to my discourse. I know it's 40 minutes. I want you to sit down, create an attentive, be very alert to what I'm saying. Because even a little you get what I'm saying, I promise your life can change. So don't sit down loosely, look here and look there. Sit down being very alert and be such a good student and say even 1 point can change. I know Coimbatore people don't know Hindi very much, so I'll not quote. All right. Or in Hindi, there's a word called Soch ka badalo, sithare badal jayenge. Ana ஒரு எண்ணம் நீ change பண்ண உன் வாழ்க்கையே change ஆகும். So with this alertness, I want you to listen to whatever I am saying. So therefore, Lord Krishna in the Gita says, Swalpamapi asya dharmasya thrayate mahato bayat. He tells Arjuna, even a little you get what I'm saying, your life can change. So therefore, friends, pause. While you're sitting down, even a little you get from me, I promise your life can change. But if a person like Duryodhana and Shakuni sits down and listens to Lord Krishna, Buddha or Jesus Christ, he will not change. So therefore, my request to you, as you're sitting down these 40 minutes, now 35 minutes, be very alert and get one key which can change your life. Are you all ready, please? Internally, are you ready? All right, just say internally, yes, I'm ready. I want you to talk loudly to yourself. I can't hear you, but say, yes, I'm ready. Okay. Now, having said, now we operate from fear. Fear is a state of mind. From fear, what happens? You have tension. You have tension. And from tension, if you start living your life, the quality of life is going to be destroyed. Now, the opposite of fear is confidence. From confidence, start living your life, sir. Be it COVID-19, be it the targets. Now, God or existence has given you a wonderful opportunity, You sit at home and develop a new skill. How can you be more proficient in your work? Most of us are only efficient. Efficient and proficient. What is the difference? Being efficient means, all right, you have a skill to solve a certain set of problems, which you know. But proficient is you are able to deal with problems you do not know. Most of us are very efficient because the known problems, we know how to deal with it. But proficient is an unknown problem. When it is thrown at you, you should know how to deal with it. Now, COVID-19 is an unknown problem. When in an unknown problem, being efficient is not sufficient. For COVID-19 is an unknown problem, so therefore you should be proficient, and that is being sufficient. For efficient is not sufficient. So to the unknown problems, in fact, what is a problem, sir? A problem is that which is thrown at you. A problem is that which is thrown at you. All right. So I'm first requesting you how to be proficient. Don't limit yourself to be efficient. Now, COVID-19 is something unknown. So known parameters, we can't solve it. You have to bring a different acuity, a different sagacity. Then only you will be able to do that. So keep this. I hope this is clear. Is there a chat there? Right? If this is clear, can you put in your chat, please, C, clear? So I know you're tuned with me. If it is clear, all of you, can you write C, clear? So I know I'm in tune with you. If you can type in your chat, C, clear. I don't know whether Microsoft has that. I think they have not given us, I think. In Zoom, it is clear for me. Anyway, it doesn't matter. So I think that option they have not optimized. So now fear, handle fear with confidence, or else it'll crush your life. Most of us, when you have fear, we don't change ourselves. We want situations to change. But if you learn to change yourself, see, it is like this beautiful example. For another joke, listen to that. A person goes to the doctor, a young girl goes to the doctor and says, doctor, every part of my body is paining. See, she touches her nose and says, inga pain irukkudu. She touches her head and says pain. She touches her shoulder and pain. She touches every part of the body and says, pain, pain, pain. The doctor is an FRCS and doesn't appear this much of pain is there. So what the doctor checks this girl and says, you are perfectly okay. Then this young girl says, why every part of my body is paining? The doctor says, your whole body is wonderful. You know, the problem is your pointing finger is fractured. And the finger fractured. So when you touch here, pain, problem is not your body, your pointing finger. Right? You are the problem, not others. You are the problem. Once you know you are the problem, then please understand you will change yourself or else you will blame others. Is this clear, friends, all of you? If it is clear, I'll give you a 10 seconds pause and say to yourself, wow, it is clear. Come on, all of you say that wherever you are. Right. So you have to change first. Okay. Now let me go. Now, all Rotarians are very knowledgeable people. Many people are very, very knowledgeable people. But knowledge has not helped us because we don't have wisdom. If you have knowledge, you have knowledge. Knowledge will not eliminate frustration. Lord Krishna in the Gita on all great masters says, bring wisdom. When you bring wisdom, there'll be fulfillment. Right? It's just having knowledge is not sufficient. Just listen to me when I'm saying this. Knowledge is not sufficient. You have to bring wisdom in your life. Now, how do you bring wisdom in your life? Listen carefully. I'll give an example. It seems a beautiful looking girl, maybe about 28, 20 years old girl, goes to the doctor and said, I'm lot of tension, lot of upset, lot of frustration. The fear of COVID-19 is there. Then I have more blah, 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 blah. She complains to the doctor, the psychiatrist. The psychiatrist was about 60 years old, and this beautiful girl with pedicure, manicure, lipstick, very, very with a lot of alankara, and says, I'm very miserable, etc. Having listened to all the problems of this young girl, now the psychiatrist gets up, hugs her, kisses her, and sits down. And this young girl said, why did you do that? And the psychiatrist says, right, not only you have tension, I have tension. Such a beautiful girl in front of me, intention increase achievement. So now what is happening? Now the psychiatrists are all knowledge, but a beautiful girl, old man, he is feeling miserable. Sir, knowledge is not sufficient to change our life. You need to bring wisdom to change our life. And the moment you bring wisdom, your life will change. Now, to bring wisdom gives you fulfillment. Now, I'm going to give you some keynote presentations. So therefore, I want to, through a keynote presentation, I'll explain to you. Okay, all right. I'll give you a keynote presentation. Please listen to this carefully. Please see. I want you to see this, all of you. If you're able to see this, all of you say, wow. Wherever you are, say wow. Now, what changes a person? I said knowledge doesn't change. It is wisdom which changes people. I'm giving you an example. Please be with me. See, technology has not changed people. Even before at Mahabharata time, Ramayana time, they had different technology. We have better technology. Even Mahabharata time, there was conflict, tension. Even now there is tension. So where bloody wars have happened? First World War, Second World War, right? Mahabharata was one of the greatest wars which had bloodshed. So technology has not changed people. Money has not changed people. Where money has changed people. Ravana, in this picture I've seen, is a very, very rich person. Very, very rich person. Lanka was much better than Ayodhya, it is said. So, but money has not changed Ravana. Even now in America, people have so much of money. Where it is changed? Maximum depressions are in America. Even though one of the richest country, now it is at danger right now. Pleasure has not changed. Even before they had lot of pleasures. Now people have lot of pleasure. They take ganja, hashish, cocaine, crack, multiple alcoholics, all alcohols they have. Where has changed people? So therefore, all has not changed. எந்த காரணம் இதுனா நம்ம உள்ள we are inside still barbaric. Mahabharata time, Ramayana time, Jesus type, Christ time, even now inside barbaric. This COVID-19 also is a big issue, right? How this COVID-19 has come, right? I'm not going to go into that. Inside we continue to be barbaric. Are you understanding? If you are understanding, say wow, all of you. Right, now please see. Now please understand, time has not changed man. Evolution has not changed us. Please listen carefully. Has time changed? Where time has changed? Before Mahabharata to now, where we have changed? Evolution has not changed. Same wars, same conflicts, same jealousy, same anger, all right, in different forms. So therefore, time has not changed. If you say, oh, give me some time, Swamiji, I will change, sir. Study history. Time has not changed. Have you understood? If you have understood, inwardly say, wow. Now, what changes a person? Sir, please look at this. Now, I cannot explain all of this. If you do my workshop called Frustration to Fulfillment Workshop, I'll explain, but I'll sow some seed now. If you look for future for change is a big error. Since, right, if you look for future, it is a very big error. Throughout history, if you look at, see, throughout history, we have been looking for the future. Pause. If I get $1 million, I'm going to become happy. Or if I get $100 million, I'm going to become happy. Some people say, if I get married, I'll become happy. Anna, right? In the future, I'll be happy in it. Tharkalam, nigalkalamla illa, I'll be future. Idha periya mistake valkela. So they'll be happy in the future. I'm not saying don't get married. But if I get married, I'll become happy over a periya mistake. When I'll get $10 million in a tappilla, $10 million, then I'm going to become happy. Right? You're putting in the future. Tharkaramla illa. Right? Yedar kalamla I'm going to become happy in it. Idha periya mistake valkela. Because the actuality of the future is in the present. Sir, next year when it happens as present. I want to become a millionaire. Millionaire happens, let us say, next year. You become. And the millionaire ana kuda, when the actuality of millionaire next year ana, it happens in the present. Number valke tarkalam nigal kalam da. So therefore, time chollam past, present and future. Alright, it's a very nice statement, past, present and future. Kadanda kalam, tarkalam, edar kalam. Easy, but truth of time enappa? The truth of time, the kadanda kalam kuda, when it happened as present da. Future also it will happen as enna present da. So valke pata, it is a movement of present, 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 present. Tarkalam, தற்காலம் 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 தான். பட் நம்ம மைண்ட் என்ன நம்ம எண்ணங்கள் என்ன சொல்றது, ஏய் இந்த ஐ அச்சீவ் திஸ் இன் த ஃபியூச்சர் ஐ வில் பிகம் ஹாப்பி. இங்க தான் மிஸ்டேக், இங்க தான் அறிவு வரணும். So therefore the actuality of the future is the present. So technology has not changed, money has not changed, pleasure or not changed, because we have all put happiness future la irukudunnu. Krishna Bhagwan in the Bhagavad Gita he says happiness is not in the future, sir. Prajahati yada kaman sarvan parthamanogatan atmanyeva atmana tushtaha sthita prajnastato chate endra kadavul. All right, atmani ana un uliye irukudhu endra. Yeah, you can be happy when you are going within. And தற்காலம்ல happiness இருக்குது. பட் தற்காலம்ல happiness இருக்கணும்னா knowledge போராது. You should have right wisdom. So all of you now, you are working at home. All right, that present ஒரு நன்றி பாவனால அந்த பார்வையில பாரு. Right, நன்றி பாவனால பார்வை பார்த்தா then you are grateful you are at home, you are with your family, you are right having resources, right, you may have difficulties. If grateful ainda, please see life becomes very beautiful. That's why Thirukural says en nandri kondraakam uyundam uyvillai se nandri kondra maharku endru. வாழ்க்கையில நன்றி, if you don't have நன்றி அண்ணா, please see there is no பிராயசித்த கர்மான்றான் திருக்குறள். Right, for anger, jealousy kala or பிராயசித்த கர்மா இருக்குது. So therefore நன்றில வாழ்க்கை இருக்கணும். என் நன்றி கொன்றாக்கம் உய்வண்டாம். நன்றி இருந்தா இந்த தற்காலம் ஒரு பெரிய பிரசாதம், கடவுள் கொடுத்த பிரசாதம். Now you are at home, when you are before COVID-19 you were busy and இப்போ you have time at home, quality time கொடு, நன்றி பாவனை இருக்கணும். When you take bath, have நன்றி பாவனா, water is available. So அந்த நன்றி பாவனானா அந்த தற்காலம் ஒரு பெரிய மிஸ்ட்ரி இருக்குது. Alright, அந்த மிஸ்ட்ரி in Sanskrit called பூர்ணமிதம் அந்த வரும். So therefore what changes person is in the தற்காலம், அந்த ஒரு நன்றி பாவனா நீ பார்க்கணும், then only it changes, sir. So therefore please understand this. I'm only presenting this, but I'm not going to explain because only 40 minutes I have got. If you do my workshop called Frustration to Fulfillment, I'll explain what brings change is not time. It is timelessness, sir. All right, timelessness. I am not going to explain to you because that will take. So if you do my workshop, all right, I'll go deep into this. All right, how you have to be timeless. In the deep sleep, anga timeless anubhav experience panna. You are all happy, sir. So therefore that brings about change. If you have understood, all of you say wow. All of you say wow. Para ஒரு உச்சாக்கமே இல்ல, வாவனா yawning அப்படி இருக்குது. Say with passionately. Now I'm going to make one more beautiful statement. Please this, sir. இங்க பாருங்க இது. I said life is same to all என்ற. பாருங்க, life is same to all. ஒரு illogical statement போடுறேன். Life is same to all. அரே எப்படி life is same to all? Ana ஒரு simple example, let us say you are in the front of the ocean. Right, front of ocean it is same to everybody. Somebody looks at the ocean from far, right, he watches the waves from far, he is also enjoying the ocean. The other person goes and wets the feet in the water, he is also enjoying. Another person goes inside and swims, he is also enjoying. Another person goes deep and enjoys the marine life in the ocean, he is also enjoying. And some people go still more deeper and searches for the pearls in the ocean, he is also enjoying. See, the ocean was same to everybody, sir. One person superficially saw, he also enjoyed. Some people went deep in the ocean, enjoy the marine life and also enjoy, searched for the pearls. Sir, life is same, sir. நீ எவ்வளவு ஆழமா போன வாழ்க்கை அப்பதான் உனக்கு அறிவு வரும். So if you are looking at life superficially, you take the Bhagavad Gita, read superficially, read the Bible, read superficially, it is like watching the ocean right there. So whatever I'm talking to you right now, friends, if you are saying superficially, you will understand it superficially. Is this clear, all of you? If it is clear, say wow, all of you, come on. Wow, this chart is not available, so I don't know. So there. Okay, now, having given, I'm going to give you another very important thing. Please see this. All of you see this. What is the system you have to take care of your breathing? It is a respiratory system. What is the system you have to take care of your food, sir? It is the digestive system. Ilya, what is the system you have to take care of communication? It is the nervous system. What is the system you have to take care of, right, excess, wastage and toxins? Come on, all of you answer. What is the system? It is the excretory system. Now, all of us have got an organized physical body. Ilya, கடவுள் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க organized. By default, இதெல்லாம் வந்திருக்குது இப்போ. Respiratory system, digestive system, nervous system, excretory system, default வந்திருக்குது இப்போ. Now, it's an organized. Now look at this now. What is the system you have for handling insecurities? நம்ம இருக்கு COVID-19 வச்சு insecurity இருக்குது இப்போ. என்ன இருக்குது system? We don't have any system. What is the system you have handling fear? Right, நம்ம system இல்ல. What is the system you have handling anger? You have no any system, no system, sir. What is the system you have handling stress? No system. What is the system you are handling desires? Or system இல்ல. Right, sir, what system you have handling upset? From upset இல்லையா? From COVID-19, look at what China has done there. All right, what is this one? All right, none system இல்ல. அப்பனா we have a disorganized psychological body. Are you understanding, sir? Organized physical body இருக்குது. We have a disorganized psychological body. So please understand this very clearly. Everybody wants personal well-being இப்போ. இப்போ பாருங்க, இப்போ everyone's personal well-being. நீ body organized ஆயிருந்தா பாரு, even if you have fear, the fear will go towards the well-being. இப்போ psychological body organized, it will go towards the well-being. இப்போ COVID-19 ஒரு fear இருக்கும். So COVID-19 fear, you will not be worrying. But instead of that, you'll wash your hand, you'll keep social distancing. All right. Now you'll put a mask required. So என்ன தெரியுமா? So even fear இருந்தா கூட COVID-19, that fear is organized psychological body in the, it goes towards, look at the arrow, goes towards personal well-being. இப்போ if you don't have a disorganized body, என்னாச்சு, and the fear will crush you. Some people drink, some people are getting depressed. அப்படிதான். If you have an organized body, பாரு, you may get anger also. And the anger நல்ல ஒரு direction இருக்கும். Right? Anger, now why this has happened? Then you will start learning how to work at home. Even the anger in the kuda, I learn how to work at home. You put disorganized body, then when you have anger, you will try to, that anger will fragment you. It will fragment you. So look at this. I'll put arrows. I'm sure you will understand this now. If you do my program Frustration to Fulfillment, I'll explain and give you techniques. இப்போ பாரு, இப்போ organized body, disorganized body, end in a result பாரு என்ன ஆகும் இப்போ? Result, where you go to the peak, other you'll become a volcano. So in the psychological organized body is what we need to create. Psychological organized body is what you need to, now what do you do this? I'll come back to the main. Okay. Psychological body, ultimately you have to bring that into the system. So are you understanding, friends? If a psychological organized body illana, it will become. So first thing, now all of you listen to now. All right. If I've given this concept, I'll give an example. All right. All of you sitting down, don't look here, look there, be focused. Bhagavad Gita was taught to Arjuna, and Arjuna was so focused what Krishna is saying. So focus, listen to what I'm saying. I'm going to give an example. A lady was sitting on the mountain and doing meditation. For a 60 years old lady on the top of the mountain, she was doing meditation. A youngster was going and told the lady, what are you doing alone in the top of the mountain? Anna, this old lady said, I have got 9 animals I am training. I am taming those, disciplining the 9 animals. In the youngster, inge anga paatha, I don't see 9 animals, Anna. I don't see 9 animals. And the lady says, yes, there's 9 animals. All right, but those animals are not outside, they are inside us now. Where it is? She says, I have got 2 hawks. 2 hawks inside me. What is the 2 hawks inside me? And this lady says, these 2 eyes are like hawks. Inge paako, anga paako. See, now you are listening for lecture. You look there, or give me a coffee under. Right? So in the eyes only, like 2 hawks, this lady says, it goes here, goes there. Even a lecture you're sitting will go here and there. So in eyes, I have 2 hawks, my own eyes. They are hawks. I am training them by meditation. Then he says, I have 2 vultures. I have to train. Now you tell me, friends, what are the 2 vultures? Wherever you are, tell, what are the 2 vultures? Inside, as this lady says. Our hands. Look at the vulture, it catches, then leaves, catches something. Our hands also train alana, it's like vultures. It will go there, it will go here, restless erko. So in me, I have 2 vultures on 2 hands. I'm taming them. So 2 ache, 4 ache. Then inside me, this old lady says, I have 2 more animals I have to tame and discipline. What is that? He says 2 rabbits I have got. Now tell me, what are the 2 rabbits, friends, in us? Come on, tell me. These are 2 feet. The feet, you see rabbit, it goes here and there. Our feet, inga ponu, anga ponu, COVID-19 poada ingerena, the restless then tension, because you don't have a psychological organized body. They're 2 rabbits. So therefore I have to tame this, says the old lady to the youngster. So 2, 4, 6 arch. All right. Then he says, I have got a snake caged in it, in my body, and the snake I have to tame. And the snake, I'm sure all of you will know. Tell me, what is a snake? It is the tongue. If by words it will harm others, by eating, wrong eating, you should harm yourself. So this is the thing I have got there. Then also the lady says, I have 1 more animal inside me, a donkey under it. The donkey I have to discipline and train. Now tell me, friends, what is the donkey in us? See, have you seen a donkey? It has tremendous capacity to carry weight. The donkey has tremendous capacity to carry weight, but still the donkey brays. In our ashram in Bangalore, there are 2 donkeys outside. It brays. It can carry a lot of weight, but it brays, complains. Number odumbiliya, our body is like a donkey. It can do a lot of work, but eppo braying and complaining da. So therefore this I have to tame andra. And inside us, he says, I have a lion. The woman says, I have to tame. Who is the lion? Who is the lion? See, the lion says, I'm the king of the forest. Periya Gamanda, I am the king of the forest. So the lioness us is the ego, which says, I am king, sir. I am from Kadappa. I am this, right? The person. I am a Brahmana. I am a Kshatriya. Right? Like a lion says, king of the forest. Something in us says, I am the king. That lion, that ego. So this lady says, 9 animals I have got inside me. On the top of the mountain, I am meditating and I am taming all of them. Once you tame all of them, therefore yoga says, yoga anushasanam. Yoga or periya anushasanam, a period discipline. Right? By meditation, if you discipline all these 9 animals, sir, you have a good psychological body. And if you have a good psychological body, you'll get a peak experience. See, for example, now with COVID-19, my ashram, except for Shakila, nobody is right. And we have Annakshetra outside in our mandir. They're all doing, and 5,000 people they are feeding every day. All right. But I don't have my working staff. I have a blue collar staff who's cooking. No working staff. Now what I'm doing now, I'm sitting right now because of discipline. I am so busy learning, right? Learning social media, learning how to use technology, even sort of thing. So I'm making my time useful. So therefore, if there is discipline, you will optimize on what is. Un valkele discipline illana, you will waste your time what is. So this old lady tells a young sir, 9 animals in me I am training. Is this clear to all of you? If you don't train and develop a psychological orderly body, you will never go to the peak. You will become a volcano. Now, with this, then there is fulfillment, or else it is frustration. All right. Is this clear, all of you, friends? If you are clear, all of you, all right, I will say now, giving the, see, I can't, yeah. Pardon? No, I do that. All right. Now, all right. I know I have less. Oh, hey, what is this? Cancel this. Why is that? Share. Have one. What is that? Okay, you're taken off. Some command you've taken off or what? I can't show.
Now you can do.
No, I can do. Okay. Where is? Yeah. Okay. Now, please, since there's lack of time, all right, I'll just show you this, and please look at this now, all of you. Since that only 5 minutes I've got, let me not remove it until I tell. No, why is he taking off? Okay. Now I want to show this to you very clearly. Now look, see, this is a true story. True story. Sugar Ray was a world-renowned lightweight boxer. Robert Duran, please understand, Robert Duran was in the Pan Am slums, unknown boxer. Arcel Ray, you see this old man, 72 years man, sees the potential of Robert Duran, free of cost he trains him. It's a true story. Free of cost he trains him. All right, and he trains him, he becomes a very big boxer, and then world-renowned Sugar Ray of lightweight boxing, there is a match. Everybody knows Sugar Ray is going to win. Robert Duran is going to lose. But Arcel Ray, 20 world champions he has coached, at the age of 72, trains Robert Duran. And you know what happens in the match? Go to the YouTube and see. While before the match, what does Robert Duran do? He employs a wrong strategy, but working strategy. He teases Sugar Ray's wife. And teasing Sugar Ray's wife, the world-renowned Sugar Ray, disturbs Sugar Ray. When he gets disturbed, Sugar Ray gets disturbed, and he says, in 2 rounds or 3 rounds, I'm going to finish you. Sugar Ray. And he loses his balance because Sugar Ray's wife, he has made a comment. And when the boxing match happens, you know what happened? Sugar Ray is disturbed. When he's disturbed, he lost the match. All because he was hurt. Please see, Sugar Ray got hurt. He lost the strategy. He played in Duran's strength. So then why he lost in 2 rounds, I'm going to finish you, he said. Then he lost his strategy. He played into Robert Duran's strength. So when you get hurt, a legendary boxer called Sugar Ray, right, lost, sir. Then what happened? Very interesting what happened. Then again, they had another match. All right. And then what Sugar Ray did is, Sugar Ray was a better boxer. What he did is, he also did the same thing in the match when he's there with Robert Duran. He started making monkey faces. All right. He started making monkey facing on the stage and disturbed Robert Duran. When he got disturbed, Robert Duran got disturbed. All right. And he walks out on the 5th round or 6th round, he walks out. Sir, I'm giving this example. These 2 boxers are legends in the field of boxing. In the Hall of Fame, these 2 lightweight are legends. You can go to the YouTube and see. But to the limited view, I'm telling you, they were hurt. When they're hurt, they lost their strategy. They played into the enemy's strength. Exactly. Now there is COVID-19. Don't get hurt. We have abused nature. Unintelligent, we have abused nature. Nature has hit us back. So don't get hurt. Learn. Don't lose your strategy. All right, learn. And if you're not getting hurt, you learn. Arson Ray, the old man, he says 75% in boxing is mental toughness. He says attitude is very important. 75% is in the mind and strategy and awareness. This is the legendary 20 boxers world champion has done. 75% boxing. So COVID-19 is as dangerous or more dangerous than boxing. Mentally, you should be strong. And mentally, if you are strong, develop the right strategy, develop your awareness, sir, your life will change. And therefore, to bring that most important dimension, to bring that, please get this very clearly. What has been the man's greatest killer? Please see, it is not the big animals have been the greatest killer for man. Not been the greatest animal has been the greatest killer for man. The greatest killer has been a mosquito. Please understand, not the lion, not the elephant has killed human beings. Mosquitoes have killed human beings the maximum. Same way I am saying, if mosquito has killed human beings more than a lion, more than elephant, what has killed human beings more than a mosquito? You know is what? Namma ennam, our thought. Thought has killed us. Thought can make you, thought can break you. Therefore, Veda says, Manaha eva manushyanam karanam bandha mokshayoho. If you have a thought of fear, it will kill you. If you have thought of confidence in you, a mosquito has killed more than elephant, tigers, leopards. But if you see, thought has killed us. Depression, frustration, hurt. Please understand. On the thought, you should have positive thoughts, sir, not negative thoughts. So I want you to keep. And if you have positive thought, even here, I want you, even positive thoughts at COVID-19. Yes, God has given me a lesson. I'm going to learn. Bring positive thought. Help people. As Prime Minister Modi says, there are old people near a house. Give them an extra love. You are eating food. Give Annadhana. That's why I see in our organization, 5,000 people we are serving every day. And we have served much more before COVID-19. All right, search. Why I'm saying is, when you have the positive thought to serve others, right? As the famous Tamil poet says, what is that famous thing? Thani oru manadanakke unuvillai enal inda jagathinai alathiduvom. Thani oru manadanakke unuvillai janan inda jagathinai alathiduvom. All right, the great poet of Tamil poet says, every one of you have positive thought. If your old people at home, serve them with more care. When you are eating food, give food to others. All right, and when you do that, and be grateful. When you may have, Rotarians have lot of knowledge, but be grateful. Katradanal Ayapayankul Val Arivan Natral Tolarianan. Alright, Tirukural says, Katradanal Ayapayankul Val Arivan Natral Tolarianan. Period knowledge irko. If you are not very humble to bow down to a wise person, sir, and the knowledge Allah waste. So please, I want, Rotarians are doing wonderful job. I have no words, but it's my duty to say, please serve others. And that's why in our organization, we are serving so many people. We do Annadhana. I don't think I'm marketing, because nothing I am taking. I am giving the value. As I said, learn to serve others and make your life beautiful, sir. And then if you learn how to serve people, help people, you know what happens automatically? Some power will come in you. All right, some power will come, and the power will tell you how to face COVID-19 with confidence. All right, then your frustrations will be transformed into fulfillment. Sir, I've given you only a rough framework. All right, give a right framework. All right, and if you do my workshop, right, for 3 days, 4 days, I'll tell you how to go. All right, so therefore, right now I'm pausing for 2 minutes, all of you. Now, what is your action plan you're going to do? I've said so many points. Even one point will change your life. What is your action point? Can you make a note, please, wherever you are? Please give me an action point. Give me 30 seconds. Your action point is, I'm going to change my thought. Your action point can be, at home, let me redefine and use this available time proactively. Let me build my psychological body. Or your action point as that old lady, 9 animals trained. Great training, train yourself, sir. For example, get up in the morning and be very grateful you have a wonderful day. All right, anything, give me an action point, another 15 seconds, sir. Give me an action point. And unless you act, sir, all this knowledge will be a burden to you. I want you to really act. I request you do my program, serve others to Rotary you serve, or serve other organizations who are helping. Rotarians are all very rich people, they serve, help others also to hurt. And therefore, let us this moment of deed, let us as right who the great Tamil poet says, Tanivaru Manadanakku univillai enal in the Jagathinai alathiduvom. Bring that, sir, right? Then when you bring, your life will drastically change. This is my sincere request from your heart. My sincere request to your heart there to do there. And I wish you all the best. If you have questions to ask, all right, 46 minutes. I'm supposed to talk 40. Excuse me, 5 minutes more I have spoken. If you have any questions, you can ask. No, they can take more time. I'll take, I don't want, all right. They said more time, but I don't have any questions you have asked. But now, since they said some more time you can take, unless you put yourself into action mode, knowing is not doing. Please, Rotarians, listen. Knowing is not doing. Doing is knowing. Knowing is not doing. Doing is knowing. And while you are doing, don't develop the ego, I am doing. Oh, I have done this, I have done this. Katradanal ayappayan kolval arivan natral tolarianan. Alright, come with humility, sir. You do, sir. Alright, that humility to bow down. Alright, to a wise person was doing. Whoever your home, your parents can be wise. Please do that, sir. And therefore, please write action points. I like to give you a gift. Can I give you a gift? I'm doing action right now. My CEO is next to me itself. I'll give an action. All right. You come to our kind of website and please, I'll tell them, can I make this request? Come to our website. Where is the website for you? Where is it? You've not got here. Yes, man. No, not got. Okay. Come to our website. All right. This one. Right, my name, www.swamisukubodhananda.net. Please make a note and I'll give you a gift there. This is my social service website. Other website is www means work without worry. My name, swamisukubodhananda.net. Please go to the website within 1 week. I'll give you a gift. What gift I'll give you? Maybe the summary of my talk I can give you. My book I'll give you. I have not defined. Very spontaneously it has come right now. All right. Since spontaneously, I promise I want to give a big, maybe it lasts only 1 week. Go to my website www and whenever you say www, work without worry, swamisukubodhananda.net, some gift. All right. You say you're a Rotarian, fill up the Google sheet. I'll request Shakila to do the Google sheet. Feed up and say one gift I want to give. Right now I want to act because knowing is not doing. Doing is knowing. I know Rotarians are doing, all right, but do it with humility. Do it with purity. I don't want recognition at all. Do it, sir. Kadavul will give you thing. So action point, go to website is what. Now I'll allow you to ask questions. If that option is available here or not, I don't know. Is there an option they ask questions? Okay. Murli will send it to, I think, Shakila. I'll read the question. You send here, you could ask a question. Or Vitalji can ask me the question and I can answer it. I don't know, whichever is comfortable. Because the first time I'm using Microsoft, I'm more used to Zoom. I know Zoom is China based, but you can still not block China there and still use it. Any questions? I think nobody's asking any question.
No questions.
It seems no questions. If there are no questions, so Vital, thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to share. All right, I know how many Rotarians are attending. Not only social distancing, psychological distancing I want you to create, and I want you to act, right? Right? Vital, anything you want to have a question to ask? I can't hear you.
Ask you a question. How do you develop that positive attitude, Swamiji? Can you give some hint?
I'm not clear. Can you repeat the question again?
How one develops a positive attitude? Any clue for that?
Okay, there are many clues. Not one clues, many. That's why on and on I say 4 days workshop online. First time I'm doing. Please do that. One tip, sir. How to be positive attitude. Now please see. Now you get up in the morning. Let us say you take a sip of water like this. You take a sip of water. Pause for a moment. Have you seen? I'm a lover of wildlife. You know, a deer when drinking water has to look here, look there. Water, there can be predators. All right, side can be. How much the deer looks here and there taking a sip of water. All right, and you and I are so we have water immediately available. We drink water. How many people don't even have eyes? We have eyes. Most of you, I'm assuming you have eyes. If you can right now count your blessings, what you have got. You have eyes, ears, think. When you get up in the morning, I want you to do one practice. When you get up in the morning, sit down. I have got eyes and say, prime yourself. Wow. And be very grateful. Oh God, I've got eyes. You walk, get up and says, oh God, I've got. Say wow to all what you have got, not from your head, but from your feelings. And if you can prime yourself 10 minutes, 2 minutes, prime yourself in the morning, go to a peak experience. Be grateful. Now in India, the Indian culture is when you take bath, you're supposed to do tarpanas. Let me put a religious mode. You can do it in your respective religion, right? You take water and say Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Tarpayami. We are supposed to do every day. Means to God, I am offering my gratitude in Nendri Bhavana. To God. Why God? Because God has given a wonderful creation. Sun and the stars. So I prime myself when I say Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, Tarpayami. Or second, we are supposed to Sapta Rishis Tarpayami. Tarpayami is my offer my gratitude to all the great Siddhas, all the great Jnanis who have taught us. I prime myself. Second point. Third, Pitrin Tarpayami, to my ancestors who have passed there, because of their blessing I am there. I am offering my gratitude. The Indian model, the traditional model is I offer 3 forms of gratitude and peak myself in this experience. If you are not a religious person, get up in the morning and says, I have eyes, say, wow, oh Lord, ears, wow, prime yourself, feelings should be primed. Then you see that priming, when the intensity of gratitude comes, you will find there is a positive curve you will go. There is a positive curve you will go. One. Second, to be positive is there are many things we have, there are many things we don't have. See, the COVID-19 has come, many things you don't have. You can't go to the malls, you can't go this outside, you don't have. But many things you have in life. You're with your family. Fortunately, most of the Rotarians have food. Many people don't have food, and many Rotarians are helping others. With others can't help each other. So in anybody's life, there are many things you have. There are many things you don't have. So how to be positive? Whatever you have, be very happy you have. Prime yourself. Gratitude is one priming. Here, prime yourself. Prime yourself, I'm happy. But if you focus on what is missing, you will always be miserable. I have only one wife, whereas other religion has three wives. All right, you will be miserable, sir. So the mind is very tricky. If you rejoice on what you have, you'll be happy. If you focus on what is missing, you'll be unhappy. All right, you'll focus on missing, you'll be unhappy. So my request is 2 tips I'm giving you. When you get up in the morning, and if you're a traditional person, all right, you do the 3 tarpanas. And when you do, don't do it mechanically, prime yourself up, be grateful. If you're not a religious person, get up in the morning, 2-3 minutes. I've got eyes, say wow, ears, wow, ear, head, think wow, prime yourself, and you will be happy. Right, all of you, I'm sure, are educated people. We read Tirukkural, and read one Tirukkural and go deep. Like the example I gave, what is the example I gave in the ocean? He goes into the ocean and search for pearls. So read one Tirukkural, one Tirukkural if you see, right? Your life will be Selvathul Selvam Savichalvam Achalvam Selvathul Yellam Thalai. This is a wonderful Tirukkural, sir. Of all the great wealths, the wealth of listening is the great wealth. Now I am giving you a lecture. How many of you are really listening? Selvathul Selvam Savichalvam Achalvam Selvathul Yellam Thalai. All right, are you listening? One Tirukkural you read and go deep. Like the example I gave you, example in the ocean example I gave. I'm sure you can see the ocean example. You be like this, go deep, sir. Don't look at Tirukkural superficially. Don't read Tirukkural this one. Go deep into Tirukkural and search for the pearls. Or Bhagavad Gita, if you know Sanskrit little, Bhagavad Gita. Even if you know Urdu, beautiful Urdu shairis are there. Every language is rich, sir. So go deep, sir, and then you will find 3 tips I've given you. The mind you have to get and into the positive direction. But I am sorry, I have to go on insisting. Come to my first time I'm doing an online workshop, all right? And all this is going the aid of what? Of COVID-19. 5,000 people we are feeding every day with quality food, well packed. I'll give you much more techniques how to go about that. Anything, Vittalji?
Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Prashant?
Just what the doctor ordered for today's situation. That just about sums the past 45 minutes of positive thinking that Swamiji has been inculcating in us. Swamiji, you have certainly put us on the path of positivity. Thank you so much for an enlightening evening. You conveyed some really powerful messages in a very simple and descriptive manner. One of the biggest takeaways I had from your session today is that fear is a state of mind, just a state of mind, and it can be controlled to provide a positive effect if you wish. And if you don't control it, it actually leads to a negative effect. The other takeaway that I had from the evening today, always look within for the problem before you start blaming others or blaming the situation around you. And you know what was so nice, that you were traditional in your values, but modern in your outlook. You used a beautifully designed PowerPoint presentation to help us understand some of the more complex concepts that you were teaching us. And the most redeeming fact about this evening was that you did not make it sound like a complex exercise. You distilled it and made sure that you did not lose the essence, but at the same time conveyed everything in a very, very simple, easy to remember manner. I couldn't help but write it down when you said, life deals everybody the same pack of cards. What you do with it, it determines your situation. You taught us about the importance of having an organized mind, just like it is important to have an organized body. Such a powerful message in so simple terms. In summary, I think the message for everyone, including me and everyone else in the audience, is that the mind, control of the mind, is the only way that we can overcome fear and challenges. You all asked us to take an action point each. I'm sure all of us have internalized that, and we are working on our action points, whatever a positive action point that may be. Thank you so much once again, Swamiji, for taking time to talk to us. our minds are lighter, and our hearts are full of positive thoughts. Thank you once again, Swamiji. I would also like to thank our President, Vittal, our Secretary, Mr. Narayan, and our Club Admin, Varada, for having taken all the efforts to organize this session and bring it to a wide audience, not just in India, but across the world as well. Thank you so much.